and welcome to Visit Mysuru. Did you know that Mysuru has Asia's second largest cathedral? Yes, this magnificent church is originally more than a century old. Interestingly, this was built by a Hindu king, dedicated to a Greek saint for the British soldiers, designed by a French architect in the German style. Come, let us know more about St. Philomena's Church.
The majestic lofty spires touching the skyline, the lavish neo-Gothic architecture, ornate detailing and carving, the splendid view from far away and many such distinct features makes this place a significant one. Located in the heritage city of Mysore, St. Philomena's Church is one of the largest churches in India and the second largest church of Asia. It stands as a major tourist attraction of Mysore apart from being a celebrated religious place. St. Philomena's Church was first built in 1843 by Mummadi Krishnaraja Wodeyar to serve the British officers stationed at Mysore and Srirangapatna. It was initially a simple wooden structure for over a century. In 1933, during the tenure of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Wodeyar, plans were laid down to erect a new majestic structure. The present church was completed in 1936. It was designed by the French architect in neo-Gothic style. It is modelled after the Cologne Cathedral in Germany. The church is dedicated to Saint Philomena, a Greek princess who was martyred in the 4th century. She had dedicated herself to the god. Due to various reasons, she was imprisoned, tortured, and eventually beheaded in Rome. Her relics were found centuries later in one of the Roman catacombs, and in 1926, Tambu Chetty, the secretary of the Maharaja of Mysore, obtained one of these relics to house in the church by her name. Inside the church is the altar with a statue of the saint and an idol of Christ. The floor plan resembles a cross. Above the altar are beautiful stained glass windows from France depicting stories from the Bible. The cathedral has a crypt that houses a statue of Saint Philomena. The twin spires of the church are 175 feet in height and they resemble the spires of Cologne Cathedral and also the spires of the St. Patrick's Church in New York City. The main hall can seat up to 800 people and contains stained glass windows depicting scenes from the birth of the Christ, the Last Supper, the crucifixion, the resurrection, and the ascension of Christ. This church is a major historical tourist attraction of Mysore. It is open from 6 am to 8 pm on all days of the week. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a new video every week.